Hello everyone. Today we are gonna be playing Roblox. Sorry. Okay, we are gonna be playing. And yeah, make sure you follow me on this, cause this is a voice reveal. For 5 subscribers, I do I do reveals if I get an amount of subscribers, and if we get to, let's say, 1,000, I might do a face reveal. Oh my god, this is so loud! Oh, yeah, this is my character. Let's go start it. Oh, Ria. No! Get in this. This is the most funnest. We're playing the hardest one. That was a cop. Yeah, this is my voice reveal. I also might do hand reveal. I don't know. Well, if we get to a certain amount of subscribers, I'll do another reveal. This is my first reveal of my voice. And if you hate it, then don't watch this video. That's what's fun. Game is ready. Oh crap. Oh, where do we go? Up here? Oh, this looks very hard. I swear, if I die, wow, that was so hard, man. The Truster me. Where am I supposed to be going again? Oof. Oh my god. 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 I am not gonna get that. Sorry, people. I failed. Guys, I failed you. I really did. Okay, man. I don't want this bonus thing. Oh, this looks harder. This should be like the... Oh my god, 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 oh my god. What are you just doing standing there? Oh my god, I am... Oh my god! You know what? I might actually buy like a... I don't care right now. I am going to buy something. Custom zombie market. Those. Man. Oh my god, this... No. Leave. What? Don't! Ow! Come on, girl! No! Yes! Oh. My god, this is so hard. What the heck? Awesome kid. Man, he must be really awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one just to be safe. If I'm not safe, well then I will die. I'm the only one. This is gonna be so hard. I'm scared. I'll die. Yep. That is totally just what I wanted. Okay, Skylar and Jaden's BFFs. Man. You know what? Only if she gets all the buttons, I will play. Is like someone farting or something? Man. Oh! Nope. Ooh! Ew. You know what? I might just get off Love Escape. This game is not fun. Don't ever play this. Okay, we're back. We're back again. We are going to be playing Meep City. Of course, my avatar looks different. Black Friday. But there's no sale. Ooh, what I have on my memories. I know, this video just turned into... Man. She got a lot of stuff. What the heck? Does this guy look... Oh, okay. This is... Imaginations... something... I'm gonna go to some parties. This is really great music, guys. Man. Oh, no. I want to leave. Nope. Copyright. Sorry, guys. I'm with a very, Is it still on? Nope. Man. This is a very, very awkward thing. So I think I'm just gonna leave. Yep. Leave party. That party was not for you. I don't know what to happen. So you see, we got Slumber Alert 2. Slumber 2. We got Panda Cupcakes. Remember me. She said a very bad curse word. Wow. Man, guys. Just wow. Panda Cupcakes. So hot. Man. Ooh, cute panda. Man. Taylor Rob B. Taylor B. 06. Man. Nope. So you know how they have like Chinese, Japanese. Sorry if I'm offending you. Let's actually see what he. Wow. So you just lied to me. You look like this. I mean, I look They look pretty different as well. But he just lied to me. And you know what? Oh, ew. Ew, man. Ooh, let's break into someone's house. Oh. Wow, man. Ooh. Wow. No. Man. I said oof. Sorry, the chat was a little bit, too inappropriate. She was just saying some, curse words. And you guys, I guess you guys are fine. You don't need to fun. Yep, I am probably one of the worst humans in this world. That is mine. I'm not gonna let you in there. Man. Look at this. Merch Gamers. Ew. Yep, that is a giant curse word. Wow. Nina Princess. Oh, no. Brooklyn Pretty and Pretty. Guys, she had to say it 2 times. Because if you don't say it 2 times, you are big. So yeah, she had to say it 2 times. Because she has to. Oh, okay. Meow. And I just said a bad word. Yeah. Man, must have been crying for so long. Oh, ew. Guys, make sure you press 1 like for Pizza 1 for her not face. Man, do you guys see that? But I think I'm supposed to end the video here. She left me. But make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell, and 1 like for Pizza. Yeah. Goodbye.